kids. Welcome back to another episode of VM Installation. This is episode 30. Pretty amazing that this series has gone on for 30 episodes and 2.5 years. Yeah. So, yeah, this is it, episode 30. I just said this is it, like, this is the final episode. It isn't. There's gonna be more. But, you know. Just, yeah, episode 30. Pretty amazing. So, anyways, today we're going to be installing Windows Longhorn build 4015. Yeah, this is the first beta build of Windows I've covered in a long while. The last one I covered, I believe, was episode 4. I do not remember. Maybe there was like more like after that, but to my knowledge, episode 4 was the last time I covered a Windows beta build, and it was a Windows Whistler build 2419, and that was more than 2 years ago. So about damn time for another one. So as you can see, I got the date set to March 28th, 2003, because that's the date this build was compiled. So I'm just going to call it Windows Longhorn build 4015. Or rather just 4015, because I already have a name to title that. I'm going to go with Windows XP, because this is more similar to that. XP 32 bits. Let me go with a nice mini 512. 10 gigs. Go in here. 4015. All right. Okay. Microsoft Longhorn. Alright, welcome to Longhorn Setup. This setup process involves a few easy steps. Alright, type your product key. I have the product key, I just need to enter it in. Okay, please review the Microsoft Windows License Agreement. Yes, I do accept. I want to format the drive using NTFS. Yes, please do that. No, just call it 4015. Call it that. There you go. So Windows setup is now copying files. All right, just let it do that. Welcome back to Windows setup. We'd like to ask you a couple more questions. Okay. Where's the questions? It says, hey, we're going to ask you a few more questions before, going on to, install Windows, and then it just never does. Okay. Well, there it is. Windows Longhorn build 4015. Tutorial Windows XP, so that fucking Windows XP tutorial doesn't it? Well, yeah. This is Windows Longhorn build 4015. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Shut up. I'd like to thank you all for watching VM Installation, episode 30. And I'll see you next time. Bye.